Hello YouTube. I hope you liked my introduction. It was just something new and I hope it was good. Anyway, today we're going to be starting off with utility system software, okay? So this is from the OCR GCSE Computer Science 1.7. You can also see my other two videos that I've created in my playlist if you just flick onto the channel, okay? So let's get ahead with the video, okay? So firstly, we're going to start with software. So as you know, we categorize software according to its function. So application, software that allows a user to perform a task or produce something. Or utility, a relatively small program that has one purpose, usually concerned with the maintenance of a system. So we're going to firstly start with utility software. Operating systems rely on utility software to manage all the aspects of the system. Utilities include disk defragmentator, anti-malware, encryption, and compression. So we're going to go on to encryption software. Data is encrypted to ensure that anyone who accesses the system without authorization is unable to read it. Encryption uses an algorithm to encode the data so it cannot be read, a key, symmetric, or a pair of keys, asymmetric, to encrypt and decrypt the data. So there's two types of keys we can use in encryption, and you'll also see this in 1.5 of the syllabus as well. So there's a symmetric key, where this key is used to secure a message. It is used for both encryption and decryption. And asymmetrics, where keys come in pairs. One key encrypts, and only the other can decrypt. This asymmetric holds a higher form of protection than symmetric does. So going back to disk defragmentation, I'm going to go over a few bits in it, and then in my next video I'm going to go over it a little bit further, okay? So when data is stored on a computer's hard drive, the computer doesn't look for the next space available in which data can be stored in full and continuously. It breaks up the data and stores it in the available spaces on the hard drive. Available space on the hard drive is often as a result of changing files or file deletion. So if I deleted a file. Over time, files on the hard disk get broken up into fragments and scattered across the surface of the disk. This leaves gaps of varying sizes where files have been deleted. Eventually, large files will not fit into a single space. So I'm going to give you a little example here, okay? When a file is stored on a hard disk, it's not actually stored as a whole file, but it's a series of segments. Sometimes these segments run together in a sequence, and sometimes segments are split up over a disk. This is known as fragmentation. Over time, more and more files become fragmented, and as do individual files. A fragmented disk takes longer to read from and write to, making a computer run slower. Defragmentation software takes the fragmented files and rearranges the segments so that they run continuously. This decreases read and write time, and thereby speeding up the computer's performance. Okay, I hope please like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.